Next, sir. Nernst equation. Nernst equation. This Nernst equation gives relation between electrode potential and concentration of electrolytic solution. Relation between electrode potential and electrolytic solution. Because electrode potential means what we discussed actually. A potential difference between the electrode and electrolytic solution is called electrode potential. If it is standard condition, we call standard electrode potential, that is standard oxidation potential or standard reduction potential. It means the electrode potential values are dependent on the concentration. However, concentration changes, standard electrode potentials will change. So that's what the Nernst is given equation, relation between how the electrode potential and the electrolytic concentration of electrolytic solution is dependent. To explain that relation, he given one Nernst equation. That is from Gibbs equation only. So what is Gibbs equation actually? Del G equal to del G naught plus 2.303 RT by RT log of QC. QC means what? Reaction quantity of the reaction. So del G expression we know. What is del G expression? Minus NF E cell. And del G naught expression is what? Minus NF E naught cell. These both values substitute in the above equation. If we substitute both in this above equation, minus NF E cell is equal to minus NF E naught cell plus 2.303 RT log QC, reaction quantity. So from here we can write this minus NF, you take this side, it becomes E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log of QC. This is Nernst equation, reaction quantity. So here E cell indicates EMF, electromotive force. E naught cell indicates standard cell potential. Standard cell potential. Already E naught cell formula we know. E cathode, reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. Next, 2.39 is our constant R. R is equal to gas constant, that is 8.314 joule per mole liter inverse. Mole inverse liter. If not, this is only what we can write actually, 25 by 3. And T equals to temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius, nothing but 298 Kelvin temperature. Next, N is equals to number of electrons participated, number of electrons involved. We are not, but based on the reaction, this N value will change, but these other all are constant. F equals to 96500 coulombs. So now what we do here, substitute R, T and F values. Substitute R, T, F values and simplify. In this equation, R value 8.314, temperature 298 Kelvin and F is equal to 96500. If you substitute and simplify it, you will be having equation E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log of QC. This is called Nernst equation. This is called Nernst equation. This Nernst equation will be changing from the cell to cell. Means like equation is only this Q value we need. One simple example I will make. Zn slash Zn plus 2 double slash Cu plus 2 slash Cu. Solid, it is aqueous having C1 concentration. It is aqueous having C2 concentration and solid. If this is the cell given, if this is the cell represented like this, cell equation, cell is represented. Its equation first of all. To write this QC, we need equation only. Not cell representation, cell reaction needed. With this, what is the cell reaction will come? Zn becoming Zn plus 2 anode. Means Zn solid is going to become Zn plus 2 aqueous by loss of 2 electron. This is cathode reaction. Cathode, what is happening? Cu plus 2 aqueous having C2 concentration, here it is C1 concentration. Accepting 2 electron and converting into Cu solid. Add this both equation by cancelling similar factor. So it becomes Zn plus Cu plus 2 gives to Zn plus 2 plus Cu. Here it is a solid, its concentration is C1 and its concentration is, it is C2 and it is C1, it is a solid. This equation you have to write, if this equation like this given, reaction quantity will be written. Reaction quantity will be written based on equilibrium constant only, concept. What is the reaction quantity will come actually? Reaction quantity expression is equal to concentration of product. Concentration of product power X by concentration of reactant power Y. What are X and Y indicates here? X and Y are stoichiometric coefficients. Stoichiometric coefficient. Stoichiometric coefficient. So for this equation, you write stoichiometric coefficient. Q expression we will write from this equation. What will come? Q is equals to concentration of product by reactant. What are the products are present? Zn plus 2 by and Cu. So becomes concentration of Zn plus 2 into concentration of Cu by concentration of Zn into concentration of Cu plus 2. But in this, Cu is solid, even Zn also solid. In equilibrium constant, solids cannot be expressed. Concentration will be taken unity. So if you remove the solid, then what will become in QC expression? Concentration of Zn plus 2 by concentration of Cu plus 2. Stoichiometric coefficients of this both what is present? 1 only. No need. If it is 2 coming, you have to take power 2, power 3. Whatever stoichiometry will come, that has to be taken. This QC you have to substitute in the Nernst equation. If you substitute in the Nernst equation, what becomes? E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N. N is equal to what actually? Number of electrons participated. In this reaction, whatever cell representation you have written, how many electrons involved? N is equal to how much will come? 2. Don't take electron released to accepted to. Wrong sir. What electron released, that electrons only accepted here. So number of electrons involved in the reaction, in the overall reaction is 2 electrons involved. So N is equal to 2. So by 2 log of QC. QC is what is coming? Concentration of Zn plus 2 by concentration of Cu plus 2. The concentrations are given C1 and C2. You can substitute C1 by C2 value you can write. This equation QC, rather than writing Zn plus 2 by Cu plus 2, we can write like this. E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log of concentration of product power X by concentration of reactant power Y. Just with variable I am taking. X and Y are what indicates concentration, stoichiometric coefficients of the reactant and product. If not, this is only, we can write another way. E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log of concentration of oxidation by concentration of reduction, power X power Y. Again stoichiometric coefficient. Why oxidation by reduction, sir? Look at here. Zn plus 2 concentration I have taken in the numerator. Now Zn plus 2 in the numerator means Zn plus 2 in this reaction undergoing oxidation or reduction. Zn is undergoing oxidation here, already here equation here. So when undergo oxidation, Zn plus 2 ion coming. So after oxidation, what the ion will come? That is only will be in aqueous. Which is undergoing in reduction, that will be as a product. So that solid will not come in the numerator. Only reactant side it will be concentration. So now it is oxidation concentration, it is reduction concentration. So oxidation by reduction, stoichiometric coefficient. So these three formulas remain. Allah same only, just Q expression I have changed. If you know concentration cells, you can substitute. If not, product by reactant powers rise to stoichiometric coefficient. Here oxidation concentration by reduction concentration.